Once upon a time, in a busy little town, there was a smart girl named Lily. She loved to learn new things and always asked lots of questions.
One day, Lily's teacher, Mrs. Brown, told the class about a special field trip. They were going to visit a big factory where they made computers.
Lily was so excited, she couldn't wait to see how computers were made. That night, she dreamed about robots and flashing lights.
The next morning, Lily and her classmates boarded a big yellow bus. They sang songs and played games as they drove to the factory.
When they arrived, a nice man named Mr. Tech greeted them. He wore a shiny badge and had a big smile. "Welcome to TechWorld," he said. Mr. Tech showed them around the factory. There were big machines everywhere, making tiny parts for computers. Lily's eyes were wide with wonder. "Did you know," said Mr. Tech, "that the parts in these computers come from all over the world?" Lily was amazed. She loved learning about different places. After the tour, they had lunch in the factory cafeteria. Lily sat next to her best friend, Tommy. "This is so cool," Tommy said, munching on his sandwich.
In the afternoon, they visited the factory gym. Even computer makers need to stay healthy, Mr. Tech explained. The children got to play some fun games. As they were leaving, Lily saw a poster about a robotics competition. "Can we join?" she asked Mrs. Brown excitedly. "We'll see," her teacher replied with a smile. On the bus ride home, Lily couldn't stop talking about everything she had learned. She told her friends about the parts from different countries and the big machines.
That night, as Lily was brushing her teeth, she heard a strange beeping sound coming from her room. She rushed to see what it was, and to her surprise,
Minitale.